Hey everyone, I'm really excited to share my first ever weekly cleaning video with you. Cleaning has become a weekly habit for me, something I do every Friday morning to refresh my space and my mind. I spend most of my day in my room, working remotely, so starting the day with a clean space helps me set the tone for the week ahead, filled with new goals and possibilities. First, I start by refreshing my bedding, swapping out pillowcases and bed linens for fresh ones. After completing the cleaning, then I clear the floor and move larger furniture items out of the room to create more space for comfortable cleaning. This is an art wall that I made inspired from the anime style. And I take the inspiration from the manga, which as you can see it is the same layout. And I change the names inside those bubbles and like create some motivationals like words. Like when I look this artwork, like I get more motivated to keep moving forward. As you can see, keep going, fight for your dreams, never give up, find your own path that you believe in. It's like these quotes that always remember you, that you should always never give up for your goals or the dreams that you set to your life. So this is amazing. I really love it. There are also those which I'm trying to also create new artwork for them. I have roller skates that I like to use them often. Now I'm going to water my plants. I'll put them here and also this stuff here so I can clean this desk. This desk actually used to be a brown vintage piece, but I painted gray and white. I'm considering repainting it again, maybe in the same colors or entirely white, or perhaps adding a wooden texture to the drawers. As you see, it has two parts that are separated from each other. This area of the room tends to gather dust quickly as it's facing the window. What I usually do here is making art or small DIY project that I enjoy crafting, so making this space clean is crucial for my creativity. After I clean it, I put back the items. These are cypress tree cones and herbal leaves in small jar. I will let the plants dry from water, then I'll put them back in the desk so it doesn't leave any marks on the desk. After that, I'll clean this desk next. Moving items first one by one, this is where I mostly sit most of the day and do some design work. Cleaning every stuff I put here is crucial for me. These shells inside the bottle of glass were given to me by my nephew as a gift. Now moving to the shelves. Actually, these shelves were a DIY project that I made myself, and it added a beautiful and aesthetic look to my room. As you can see, cleaning each decor item and then put them back. I used these pine cones as a decoration items, and I found them when I was doing walking sessions in the woods. Moving to the frames, which I also made as the artwork of the manga that I showed you earlier. As you notice guys, all my artwork are black and white. Since black and white are my favorite colors, I'm a huge fan of monochromatic colors. And this is it. I'll go to each part of the room till I finish the whole room. And believe me, I never get tired of cleaning. I found it so amusing and nerve calming. This table was given to me by my dad. The bottom part was already made, so he only made the top part. So I made it like this to stuff my shoes under it and put some decor items above it. Final phase of the cleaning is mopping the floor, using a bucket of water mixed with soap. As you can see, the floor tiles are old. I'm thinking of painting them white. Using a mop, I repeat the process 2 to 3 times, mopping each corner of the room repeatedly to remove dust. Then I wash the mop that I cleaned with, repeating the process 2 to 3 times until the floor becomes shiny and clean. I don't use a cleaning floor machine, so I prefer using the vintage method, a bucket filled with water mixed with soap. As you can see, the floor now is shiny and clean. After that, I let the floor dry. While it dries, I'll go and clean the rug from dust in our front yard. Then I'll start putting the furniture and items back in my room, put on newly washed beddings, and organize everything. Finally, I'll spray some fresh air freshener in the room for a pleasant smell. And this is an overview of the room after cleaning. After a huge cleaning session, I'll just take a shower, relax for 25 minutes, and then enjoy playing Genshin Impact's video game. So, this is it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this cleaning journey with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.